If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Side airbag, traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.